Right, so here we go. We open the data module, and if you find that you cannot connect to your tables, then it means that you have to go back to this connection component and go to the connection string property and rebuild this connection with the 3 dots and so on. That's if your connection is not working. And that will probably happen every time you open your program on a different place in your computer or different hard drive, whatever. So, what we've done so far is we've got all our buttons to go to the different tab sheets. And when it goes to the tab sheets, it is connecting to the database grid. The ADO table is being connected to the right table, and then the database grid has been formatted to fit all the columns of that table. So to test it out and to see how large you want to make your database grid, this is what you can do. Go and test it out, and we see that for my recipient table I can make the database grid a lot smaller. And then in reports, we have a problem here with our query, missing SQL property. So here we're going to go and sort that one out. Now, I said DB grid 7. Oh, we haven't got a thing there. Select. Yeah, we were at this point where we have to go and put in a query in this button that goes to reports. And we hadn't ever done a query before in our lives, so this is our first query ever. If I go and look at my tables, and I've got the message table, view, oh, this is data sheet view, okay? Now if I want to select all of the fields, I want to display everything in this message table. In queries, I do the following. I say select star, meaning showing everything from the table that I've decided to use. I'm coughing into my elbow. Select star from message, meaning display everything from the message table. And when we run the program, it should display there in that database grid. Now obviously we can change the size of these database grids now, because we see that the message one needs to be a bit wider than the other one, and the actual one for TVS reports we can actually make much wider. I swallowed something the wrong way. I do not have the dreaded virus. I don't have the virus, I promise you. Okay, let's run the program. Go to reports, there it is. Go home, go to add recipient, go home, go to edit recipient, go home, and that one. And they're all there. Okay, next thing. Yeah, so we've got the tab sheets open. I mean, we've got our basic structure from these buttons going to each of those tab sheets, and then we're going to move on to proper code now.